Hey, I'm back and making another video. So yeah, let me tell y'all something. All right, this is gonna be a 3.5 in one. So yeah, let's get right into it. All right, so I'm gonna start off with the most simplest to the most difficult. All right. So first, my sister made me this friendship bracelet. Yeah, it's my sister. So thanks, G. And the second, Lamborghini. Just get a small cup, make sure it's a tin can. Like it could be a small one or a big one. I think the biggest one sounds the best. But hold it right here. But make sure there's no like holes in the sides, so it sounds like this. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Alright, so no, battery low, 10%. I gotta make this quick. Alright, so yeah, my sister made me this. We got this. I'm interested in playing the trumpet, so if I do get a trumpet, I'm definitely going to be playing it. Definitely going to be playing with it in some vlogs, and yeah, I'll make a video about it. So yeah, and then the most difficult, or the biggest thing that happened so far, was this. Yep, thanks, Gemma. Thanks, pup. Yeah, I hate her now. Remember, I love Gemma? Yeah, that was every morning. It's every morning ever. She likes me for that. Not. Ooh, look at him, baby. I don't actually know what color my eyes are, because they change depending on the flavor of food I eat.